NASA's moon landing sites for Artemis III mission. NASA is in full preparation to send its astronauts to Moon again. TH's U.S. Space Agency is currently focusing on the launch of its Artemis I rocket, which is scheduled to be launched on August 29, 2022. Highlights. Amid all these happenings, NASA has now identified multiple potential landing sites for Artemis III, which will be the first mission to bring crew to the lunar surface, including the first woman to set foot on the Moon. The agency has identified 13 candidate landing regions near the lunar South Pole. All 13 regions contain sites that provide continuous access to sunlight throughout a 6.5-day period, which is the planned duration of the Artemis III surface mission. The 13 locations, each about 15 by 15 kilometers, are located within 6 degrees of latitude of the South Pole. They are named Faustini Rim A, peak near Shackleton, Connecting Ridge Extension, de Gerlache Rim 1, de Gerlache Rim 2, de Gerlache Coker Massif, Hayworth, Malapert Massif, Leibniz Beta Plateau, Nobile Rim 1, Nobile Rim 2, Amundsen Rim. According to NASA, each of these regions is located within 6 degrees of latitude of the lunar South Pole, and collectively contain diverse geologic features. Artemis Program. Artemis Program is an international human spaceflight program funded by the U.S. government. The other international partners in the program are JAXA, Japan Aerospace